Today, we're going to share what a feature list is and how it can save you time and effort in your software selection process. But before we dive into an explanation, let's look at the challenges that our features list product was designed to solve. The only reliable way to pick the right software solution for your business is to form a complete requirements list. This involves not just understanding your business processes, but matching them to the sometimes thousands of software features on the market that would support them. It can take months of painstaking research to cover that ground and form your list of requirements, and even longer to find out how a vendor you're interested in actually supports your requirements. It's a lot of data to uncover, collect, and organize. This problem that every company faces when looking into new business software, tech analysts have designed easy-to-read Excel-based reports that do it all. These features lists show you every capability you should expect to see in any given software solution category, whether it's ERP for mixed-mode manufacturing, BI, CRM, or another type of software. We then populate the list with the level of support provided for each feature by the solution you're interested in. For example, if you're looking into ERP solutions for the distribution industry and you're interested in NetSuite, a tech features list will not only provide you with the full universe of features you should expect in an ERP for distribution system, helping to clarify your requirements, but also reveal NetSuite's level of support for every one of those features. To make navigation and focus much easier, our lists are organized into standardized modules and sub-modules that group features by business domains, such as inventory management and HR. And we leave no ambiguity as to how well a product does or doesn't support every feature on the list. We indicate which features are supported right out of the box versus through add-ons, customizations, third-party support, or planned future releases. These are very important distinctions that can greatly impact cost and speed of implementation, distinctions that you won't always find in other companies' documents. So, a tech features list can help you form your unique set of requirements from the total universe of possibilities in any given software category. Discover newer features and capabilities you might not have been aware of that could increase efficiency for your business, and examine a product's precise level of support for all criteria. Let's consider another example. Our SAP ERP features list for SAP Business All-in-One shows the universe of features applicable to discrete manufacturing. In this case, there are 3,539 unique features, arranged into modules and submodules for easy navigation. Every feature then has an unbiased rating that indicates SAP ERP's level of support, from full, out-of-the-box support, to partner add-on, to customization, no support, and 4 other rating types. You now have a complete analysis of SAP ERP's capabilities in the discrete manufacturing space. Tech has created feature lists for hundreds of systems across many software categories. We have customers in many different industries as well, so check for solutions geared towards yours. If you're still on the fence, take a minute to download the free version of one of our features lists. We're confident it will convince you of the value, from time savings to knowledge gain. These free versions benchmark a solution's overall performance compared to an impartial industry average and showcase the magnitude and value of the full report. There's no better way to jumpstart your software selection process. And regardless of whether you purchase one of our reports, our experienced software selection advisors are always ready to talk with you. We thrive on pointing people towards the right information and resources at the right time, most of it free of charge, and all with no strings attached. It would be our pleasure to help ensure you're on your way to finding the right software solution with the best terms and conditions. From free product reviews to detailed reports and templates, and from high-level chats to full-service consulting, we're here to bring unbiased expertise to every company looking for the best fit software for their unique needs.